today we are going to start thermodynamics chapter. So thermodynamics, it is very important for your point of competitive examination. So based upon thermodynamics chapter, every year we are going to get one question or two questions based upon thermodynamics. From today onwards, we are going to start thermodynamics. So we will try to complete this chapter within one day or in 5 classes. Yes. So whenever we are talking about thermodynamics, first we should know what is the meaning of thermodynamics. So basically in thermodynamics, we are going to study the conversion of energy. How we are going to convert energy one form to another form. Look at here children. Here thermo means heat. थर्मो का मतलब क्या है भाई? हीट है. डायनामिक्स, डायनामिक्स बोले तो मोशन. डायनामिक्स बोले तो मोशन. The motion of heat is nothing but water. Thermodynamics. So in thermodynamics, we are going to convert heat energy into mechanical energy. फिर से. So in thermodynamics, we are going to convert heat energy into mechanical energy. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? Heat energy ಅನ್ನ mechanical energy ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Look at here children. I will give a few examples. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Let us consider heat engine. Heat engine ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So steam engine ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ heat engine ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? We are going to burn coal. ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? coal ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Then we will get steam. ಆ steam ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಎಂಜಿನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Look at here children. Basically it is very easy to convert mechanical energy into thermal energy. Mechanical energy ಅನ್ನ thermal energy ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಲಭ. I will give one best example. Look at here. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? Yes, I am doing work. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು? heat energy ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. It is very easy to convert mechanical energy into heat energy, thermal energy. But the conversion of thermal energy into mechanical work, it is rather difficult. We want engines. We want steam engines. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೂ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ engines ವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Is it clear children? Okay. Look at it. First point. Thermodynamics बोले तो क्या? Thermodynamics, it is the branch of physics in which we are going to study what? The conversion of thermal energy into mechanical energy or mechanical work. Is it clear? Next point children. Look at here. So whenever we are talking about thermodynamics, first we should know what is the meaning of thermodynamical system. ये thermodynamical system क्या होता है भाई? This is very important. So thermodynamical system बोले तो it is the collection of large number of atoms, large number of molecules. I will give few examples. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್, it is a thermodynamical system. Yes, in our car, inside a car we are having one engine. That engine is a thermodynamical system. So bike ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು engine ಇರ್ತದೆ. That is also thermodynamical system children. So thermodynamical system ಹತ್ರ ಏನೇನು ಇರ್ತದೆ? That is very important children. Thermodynamical system के पास क्या होता है? Yes, very good. Thermodynamical system के पास क्या होता है? Pressure होता है. Yes, very good. Thermodynamical system contains water, pressure. Then इसके पास क्या है? Volume है. इसके पास क्या है? Temperature है. Yes or no? Thermodynamical system के पास क्या है भाई? Pressure है, volume है और temperature भी है. Correct? The pressure and volume and the temperature. The value of the pressure, the value of the volume, the value of the temperature. It is completely different when we are going to compare to surrounding. ನಾವು ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಥರ್ಮೋಡೈನಮಿಕಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. Look at here children. Thermodynamical system बोले तो it is the collection of large number of molecules and large number of atoms ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Pressure cooker is the example. Engine is the example. Is it clear children? Okay. So right now we know what is thermodynamics. Right now we know what is thermodynamical system. Then next we should know what are thermodynamical parameters. Thermodynamical parameters बोले तो क्या? We should know children. Look at here children. thermodynamical parameters बोले तो all measurable quantities are measurable quantities बोले तो pressure, it is a thermodynamical parameter. Volume, it is a thermodynamical parameter. Temperature, it is a thermodynamical parameter. Heat content, it is a thermodynamical parameter. Internal energy, it is also thermodynamical parameter. Getting what I'm telling you? Okay, look at it. Thermodynamical parameters बोले तो pressure, thermodynamical parameter. Volume, thermodynamical parameter. Then temperature, thermodynamical parameter. Then heat content, thermodynamical parameter. Then internal energy, it is also thermodynamical parameter. Look at here, children. We are going to use several times. We are going to use number of times. Internal energy, heat content, temperature, volume and pressure. So in general, in a thermodynamics, pressure, it is indicated by the letter P. Volume, V. Temperature, T. Heat content, tell me. Heat content ಏನಿರಬಹುದು? Yes, very good. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನು? Q. Then internal energy, U. P pressure, V volume, T temperature, Q is heat content and U is internal energy. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ? ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು? Thermodynamical parameters. Is it clear, children? Okay. So right now we know what is the meaning of thermodynamics, what is the meaning of thermodynamical system, and what is the meaning of thermodynamical parameters. Then we should know, look at here, children. So initially we are going to learn a few basic concepts. Actually ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ, in competitive exams how questions are going to ask, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೀಟದವರು, JEE and in KCET also ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೇನೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಸಮ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಸಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್, ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So first we are going to learn synopsis, then we are going to start what? Yes, very good. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Then we are going to start numericals. Bits ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Is it clear, children? Yes, good children, right children. अभी देखो भाई. So first we should know what is the meaning of system and what is the meaning of surrounding. Yes. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So I will give one best example. Look at here children. माना कि एक प्रेशर कुकर है. Yes, मामा की नहीं, माना कि एक प्रेशर कुकर है. Yes, this is a pressure cooker. Yes, this is a pressure cooker. This pressure cooker is what? System. And the system of thermodynamical system it is. Getting what I am telling you? Yes. So this is a thermodynamical system. Yes. The space around the system, the region around the system is what? Surrounding. ಇದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಭೌತಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ? ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್. Is it clear, children? Okay. So next point. There is a wall between system and surrounding. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗಿನ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ವಾಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಆ ವಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳು. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಟು ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್, ವಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಇವೆ? ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಟೂ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಲ್ಸ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಡೈಥರ್ಮಿಕ್ ವಾಲ್ and another one adiabatic wall. Dithermic wall बोले तो conducting wall. Dithermic wall बोले तो conducting wall. Adiabatic wall बोले तो yes, very good, insulating wall अंतानु करेंगे. Yes, look at here children. So dithermic wall and adiabatic wall. Look at here. Dithermic wall. Look at here. So this is a pressure cooker system and this is surrounding. There is a wall between system and surrounding. Yes? Yes or no children? Yes. So this is pressure cooker, bole to thermodynamical system, and this is surrounding. Yes? Between system and surrounding we are having one wall. Yes, very good. ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ವಾಲ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ವಾಲ್ ಎಂತ ವಾಲ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್? Yes, very good. Which wall? Conducting wall. It is a dithermic wall. Why it is dithermic wall? Because it allow the heat to pass through it easily. ಈ ಡೈಥರ್ಮಿಕ್ ವಾಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? Yes, heat ಅನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡುತ್ತದೆ. So that's why it is dithermical wall. It is dithermic wall. Getting what I'm telling you? System ಇಂದ surrounding ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಹೀಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಂತ ವಾಲ್? Yes, it is a dithermic wall. Yes. So what is the meaning of dithermic wall? So dithermic wall बोले तो क्या है भाई? Yes, in case of dithermic wall or conducting wall, heat is going to flow easily through it. It will allow the heat to pass through it easily. Such walls are called what? Dithermic wall. Getting what I'm telling children? Yes. Then exactly opposite to dithermic wall, that is adiabatic wall. Adiabatic wall alli ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? What happens in case of adiabatic wall? In case of adiabatic wall, heat is not going to flow from system to surrounding or surrounding to system. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ. And tell me one best example for adiabatic wall children, for insulating wall. Yes, very good. Thermos, hot box. Yes or no? ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಥರ್ಮಸ್, ಆ ಥರ್ಮಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಎಂತ ವಾಲ್? Yes, it is a adiabatic wall. ಆ ಥರ್ಮಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಬಿಸಿ ಕಾಫಿ, ಬಿಸಿ ಚಾಯನ್ನ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಬಿಸಿಯಾಗಿನೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಎಸ್, ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಹೀಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಂತ ವಾಲ್? ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ adiabatic wall. Very good. Face it. In case of dithermic wall, what happens? Heat will flow from where to where? कहां से कहां तक? System to surrounding. In case of adiabatic wall, heat will flow from where to where? Tell me. Heat will flow in case of adiabatic wall? Answer is no. In case of adiabatic wall, heat will not flow. Is it clear? Okay. So look at here. So system surrounding ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Dithermic wall, adiabatic wall ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. So then we are going to learn processes, different types of processes. Okay? Yes. Look at it. So in thermodynamical system, so we are having different types of processes. So that is first one, isothermal process. कौन सा process है भाई? Isothermal process. Process number 1, isothermal process. So in case of isothermal process, first point, temperature remains constant. क्या constant है भाई? Temperature remains constant. Yes, temperature is not going to change. बोले तो change in temperature is 0. Temperature is not going to change in case of isothermal process. So second process, we are having adiabatic process. Yes, very good. Second one, adiabatic process. So in case of adiabatic process, heat content remains constant. Yes, very good. Heat content remains constant. Heat content बोले तो क्या है? Q is heat content. Yes. So change in heat is 0 in case of adiabatic process. So तीसरा process है भाई isobaric process. Yes, isobaric process. Okay. So bar बोले तो क्या भाई? Bar is the SI unit of the pressure. Yes or no? Unit of the pressure it is bar. कोई शक children? No शक? Yes. In case of isobaric process, pressure remains constant. Pressure remains constant. बोले तो change in pressure is 0. Getting what I'm telling you? ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. So fourth one, isochoric process. Fourth one, isochoric process. So in isochoric process, what happens? Volume remains constant. Yes, constant ಇರಲಿ, ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇರಬಹುದು. Volume remains constant. बोले तो change in volume is 0. Getting what I'm telling you? Yes. So look at here. So basically in thermodynamics, we are having several types of process Yes. First one isothermal, second one adiabatic, third one isobaric, and fourth one isochoric process. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ಗಳಿವೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್, ರಿವರ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್, ಇರ್ರಿವರ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಅನದರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇರ್ರಿವರ್ಸಿಬಲ್. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಥರ್ಮೋಡೈನಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ಕಮ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್? ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ. Okay, yes. Isothermal, adiabatic, isobaric, and isochoric. Completed? Yes, very good. Okay. So the next concept, indicator diagram. So next one, indicator diagram. क्या है भाई? Indicator diagram. Indicator diagram or PV diagram. इंडिकेटर डायग्राम एंड पीवी डायग्राम. सो ये इंडिकेटर डायग्राम क्या है भाई? ये होता क्या है? दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इंडिकेटर डायग्राम बेसिकली गिव्स द रिलेशन बिटवीन प्रेशर एंड वॉल्यूम. यस, करेक्ट देखना है. इंडिकेटर डायग्राम बेसिकली इट गिव्स द रिलेशन बिटवीन व्हाट टू व्हाट, प्रेशर एंड वॉल्यूम. कम चिल्ड्रन, लेट अस डिस्कस अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट इंडिकेटर डायग्राम. लुक एट मेरे पास एक ब्यूटीफुल y एक्सेस है. यस, मामा की नहीं, माना कि मेरे पास. सो दिस इज ओरिजिन O एंड हमारा x एक्सेस है. कोई शक? नो शक. along y axis I am going to take pressure. along x axis I am going to consider volume. Yes or no? along y axis I will consider pressure and along x axis I am going to consider what? Volume. So such diagrams are called indicator diagrams or PV diagrams, children. Getting what I am telling, children? Okay, look at here, children. So in thermodynamics, so we are going to represent compression and expansion of the gas with the help of indicator diagram. Thermodynamics ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, how gas is going to expand and how gas is going to compress. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಹೌ. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. इधर देखो भाई, ध्यान से देखो भाई, इधर देखो भाई, look at here. Yes, so this is one curve. Okay, so look at here. I am going to put arrow somewhat like this. Yes, I am going to put arrow somewhat like this. If we are going to put arrow like this, it represents what? Gas is going to expand. Gas ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಸರ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? Look at it. लक्ष्य कोड़ी देखिए. इधर देखो भाई, ये वॉल्यूम है. लेट अस टेक इट इज 5 यूनिट, 10 यूनिट, 15 यूनिट, 20 यूनिट एंड 25 यूनिट. कोई शक भाई? नो. सो लेट अस टेक 5, 10, 15, 20 एंड 25. इधर देखो भाई, प्रेशर डिक्रीजिंग. Yes or no? Pressure value decreasing, but volume increasing. Volume increasing. Pressure decreasing. Volume increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? Yes, very good. Expansion. Gas ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Gas expansion ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So this is the graphical representation, children. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Yes. Next one. So let us take another one. So माना कि ये y एक्सेस है, मामा की नहीं, माना कि ये y एक्सेस है, माना कि ये x एक्सेस है. This is orange O. Orange नहीं भाई, origin अंतर है. This is origin O. So along y axis I will take pressure, along x axis I will take volume. Oh sure, no sure. So this is our curve, a beautiful curve. Yes, very good. So I am going to put arrow somewhat like this. अभी observation करो भाई, क्या होता है? Observation करो, observation करो. Arrow in this direction. बोले तो क्या? इधर देखो, volume decreasing. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Volume decreasing. But what about pressure? Pressure is increasing. Correct or not? Yes, I will write volume decreasing, pressure increasing. So in physics, if volume decreases, what we are going to say? It is expansion or compression? Gas is going to expand or gas is going to compress? Yes, very good. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನು? Gas is going to compress. So this is compression. Getting what I'm telling you? So this is indicator diagram. Indicator diagram. So indicator diagram ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So we will discuss in next part. But for time being, you should know. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು what is indicator diagram, how expansion is going to represent and how compression is going to represent. Is it clear, children? Okay. So this is indicator diagram. Yes, very good. So next, we are going to learn what? Isothermal process, adiabatic process, then isobaric process and isochoric process. A little bit depth. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ depth ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Yes, and I will tell and how questions are going to come. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್. ಎಸ್, ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. पहला प्रोसेस, पैर नहीं प्रोसेस, isothermal process. Okay, let us discuss isothermal process. बोलो भाई, isothermal process. बेसिक पॉइंट, isothermal process क्या है हमारे पास? बेसिक पॉइंट, टेल मी. बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है isothermal process? Yes, very good. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನು? In case of isothermal process, temperature remains what? Constant. Good children, bright children. Second point, tell me. Change in temperature, delta T is 0. Temperature ಇರ್ತದೆ, but ಆ temperature change ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. There is a temperature, but that temperature is not going to change. Getting what I'm telling you? Okay. Third point is very important. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿ, ಲಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Look at here. In case of isothermal, temperature constant. Yes. Change in temperature is 0. Yes. If it is so, which wall we are going to use in case of isothermal process? What kind of wall we are going to use in case of isothermal process? We are going to use dithermic wall or we are going to use adiabatic wall? Can anyone tell me, children? ಬೇಗ think ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಯಾವ ವಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು isothermal process ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? Yes, very good. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? Yes, we are going to use what? Dithermic wall. We are going to use what? Dithermic wall. बोले तो conducting wall. Yes. ಸರಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? Dithermic wall ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್? I will explain to you. Look at it. So अरे प्रेशर कुकर. Yes. So माना कि एक प्रेशर कुकर है, मामा की नहीं, माना कि एक प्रेशर कुकर है. Yes. ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. Yes, let it be leave it. Look at it. So this is a pressure cooker system. Yes, it is a thermodynamical system. This is surrounding. ಇದು ಏನು? Surrounding. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Surrounding. Look at here. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ. I am going to supply the heat. Yes. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Heat energy ನ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Yes, ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes. Then what happens you know children? Pressure cooker ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಏನು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ? First it will receive the heat energy. Yes, it will receive the heat energy. After, what happens? It will increase its temperature. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತದೆ? ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತದೆ. First pressure cooker बोले तो system is going to receive heat energy. Then it will increase its temperature. If temperature increases, temperature will change. If temperature changes, ಈ process isothermal process ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. This process is not going to remain as isothermal process if temperature changes. What is the condition? Temperature should be constant. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ is going to remain as constant. Yes or no children? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಾಲ್ ಎಂತ ವಾಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು? Yes, this wall should be dithermic wall. This wall should be dithermic wall. If it is dithermic wall, then heat will flow from system to surrounding. Then inside the system, temperature remains constant. Change in temperature is once again 0. Getting what I'm telling? Yes, okay. And fourth point, it is very, very important. Isothermal process is a slow process. Isothermal process is a slow process, children. Sir, how you are going to say isothermal process is a slow? I will give one beautiful example, children. इधर एक सिलेंडर है, yes, मेरे पास एक सिलेंडर है, सिलेंडर के अंदर क्या है, गैस है, yes, I am going to compress the gas suddenly. Then what happens? What happens? Inside the cylinder, temperature is going to change. Yes, if temperature is going to change, then it is not isothermal process. First, इधर now you change model. I am going to compress the gas slowly. I am going to compress the gas slowly. Then what happens? Temperature is not going to change. Temperature is not going to change. Yes, so that's why isothermal process is a slow process. Getting what I am telling, children? कोई शक, children? Isothermal process is a slow process. Then next point, it is very important for your competitive exam. So in case of isothermal process, what is the value of specific heat? What is the value of specific heat? What is specific heat, children? You might have learned in thermal properties of matter. Specific heat बोले तो क्या? It is the amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature of the particle or a substance through 1 degree Celsius. इधर देखो भाई, माना कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, yes, इस ऑब्जेक्ट का टेम्परेचर कितना है? अभी 27 है. I wish to increase through 1 degree Celsius. Then I should supply what? Heat energy. That heat energy is what? Specific heat energy. Getting what I am telling, children? Yes. First, इसका टेम्परेचर 27 है. I wish to increase to 28, 27 to 28. I wish to increase. Then I should supply what? Heat energy. That heat energy is what? Specific heat. Let it be. So specific heat is what? dQ upon dt or delta Q upon delta T. Specific heat. Okay. अभी बोलो भाई, अभी देखो प्रोसेस कौन सा है? आइसोथर्मल है. यस, प्रोसेस कौन सा है? आइसोथर्मल है. इन आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस चेंज इन टेम्परेचर कितना है? 0 है. पुट डेल्टा T इज इक्वल टू 0. देखो भाई क्या होता है? पुट डेल्टा T इज इक्वल टू 0 क्या होता है? स्पेसिफिक हीट इज डेल्टा Q अपॉन 0. 1/0 अनंत, अनंत बोले तो इंफिनिटी. गेटिंग? सो इन केस ऑफ आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस specific heat is infinity. ये infinity क्या है भाई? What is the meaning of infinity? Very simple, children. If we are going to supply infinite amount of heat energy to this system, its temperature never going to increase. Why? Because wall कौन सा है? Dithermic wall है. Heat will flow from system to surrounding. So this is the meaning, children. Yes, children? Okay, good children. Break, children. So equation for isothermal process. Very simple. Equation is PV is equal to constant. Very good. The nature of the graph. ग्राफ कैसा होता है भाई? देखो भाई, nature of the graph कैसा होता है देखो. So the nature of the graph somewhat like this. Y-axis, x-axis, pressure, volume. Yes, pressure, volume, pressure, volume. Wait, children. So I will plot the graph here. Look at here. इधर देखो भाई, y एक्सेस है, x एक्सेस है, ये प्रेशर है, ये वॉल्यूम है. नेचर ऑफ ग्राफ कैसा होगा फॉर आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस? इधर देखो भाई, PV इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट. V को इधर भेजिए. यस, बेसमेंट के कड़सी ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? यस, P inversely proportional to V. P is inversely proportional to V. So the nature of the graph somewhat like this. So this is the nature of graph for isothermal process. Is it clear, children? Yes. So this is all about isothermal process. Yes. Are you writing, children? Yes. Very good. So isothermal process done. Second process, adiabatic process. Yes. कौन सा process है भाई? Second process, adiabatic process. Yes. Good children, bright children. Look at here. So the basics content. Basic क्या है regarding to the adiabatic process? Adiabatic process में क्या constant होगा भाई? Yes, heat content remains constant. Heat content remains constant. Very good. Second point. Delta Q is equal to 0. बोले तो change in heat is zero. Heat is there, but that heat is not going to change. Getting what I am telling children? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, if it is so, tell me children. Heat should remain constant. Okay? Change in heat zero. Heat change नहीं होना चाहिए. If it is so, tell me what kind of wall we are going to use. We are going to use dithermic wall or we are going to use adiabatic wall. Yes, यारो ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. Someone is telling the answer. We are going to use adiabatic wall. Why so adiabatic wall? I will explain. इधर देखो भाई, माना कि एक थर्मोडायनेमिकल सिस्टम है, माना कि नहीं, माना कि एक थर्मोडायनेमिकल सिस्टम है. This is system, this is surrounding. Getting what I am telling? प्रोसेस कौन सा है? adiabatic है. इमेजिन करो भाई, सिस्टम के अंदर हीट कितना है? 100 जूल हीट है. कितना हीट है? 100 जूल हीट एनर्जी है. So मैं क्या करता हूँ भाई? I am going to supply the heat energy. I will supply the heat energy. Okay? If I am going to supply the heat energy, heat will increase. If heat increases, heat content will change. Yes or no? Then it is not an adiabatic process. Yes or no children? Yes? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಈ ವಾಲ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? If this wall is dithermic, heat will flow through surrounding to system. Then heat content will change if it is dithermic wall. That is not correct children. ಅದು ತಪ್ಪು. If the wall is adiabatic, wall कौन सा है? Adiabatic wall है. Then heat will not flow from surrounding to system. Yes or no children? So which one is the correct answer? Yes, adiabatic wall. Wall should be adiabatic. Good. Wall should be adiabatic in case of adiabatic process. Fourth point, isothermal process is a slow process. Yes, but adiabatic process, it is sudden process children. What kind of process? Sudden process. बोले तो it is a fast process children. Fast process. Getting? Next one. Nature of graph, or first let me write down specific heat. Specific heat कितना होता है in case of adiabatic process? Can anyone tell me children? In case of adiabatic process, specific heat कितना होता है? Yes, zero. Correct the answer. Why zero? Good. Because in case of adiabatic process, we know that whether we know or not, just write down delta Q is zero. Put delta Q is equal to zero. What happens? Specific heat is equal to 0 upon delta T. 0 upon anything is 0? Yes, 0. So specific heat is 0. Getting? In case of isothermal, specific heat is infinite, anant. In case of adiabatic process, specific heat is 0. Getting? Next point. Equation. PV raised to gamma is equal to constant. So this is the equation for adiabatic process. Sir, gamma क्या है भाई? So gamma is what? Gamma is nothing but Cp upon Cv. Then बात था इधर में once upon a time thermal properties of matter chapter. Cp बोले तो specific heat capacity at constant pressure. Cv बोले तो specific heat capacity at constant volume. Yes. So gamma is what? It is the ratio of the specific heat at constant pressure to constant volume. Okay? अब इधर देखो भाई, V raised to gamma को इधर भेजो, क्या होता? P inversely proportional to V raised to gamma. Yes. Then nature of graph. देखो भाई, nature of graph कैसा होता है? देखो, ध्यान से देखो भाई. Y axis, X axis, origin O, origin. Along Y axis pressure, along X axis volume. Yes. Based upon this equation, the nature of the graph somewhat like this. The nature of graph like this. So this is the nature of graph. Getting what I am telling children? Okay. So I forgot to tell one thing children. The best example for isothermal process, melting process, boiling process. Both are the best examples for the isothermal process. Why sir? Why boiling process and melting processes are the best example for the isothermal process? I will explain. Look at here, children. Water is going to boil at what temperature? At 100 degrees Celsius. Yes or no? Yes or no? Water is going to convert as a steam. When water is going to convert as a steam, temperature remains constant only. 100 degrees Celsius only. Yes or no? At 0 degrees Celsius, ice is going to melt. Yes or no? That 0 degrees Celsius remains constant during the melting process. So that's why melting process, boiling process are the best examples for the isothermal process. Okay? So the best example for the adiabatic process is the sudden bursting of tube. Getting what I'm telling? When the tube is there, inside the tire, they are having one tube. That tube is going to burst suddenly. There is no time to exchange the heat between system and surrounding. Yes? So that heat content remains constant. So that's why the sudden bursting of tube is the best example for the adiabatic process. Is it clear, children? Yes, okay. So this is all about lecture number 1. Yes? So in the next lecture, in the next class, in the next episode, we are going to learn isobaric process, isochoric process, we are going to learn. Then we are going to learn thermal equilibrium, zeroth law of thermodynamics, and we will discuss in next class. Thank you so much, children.